Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. So I know it's been really long. I haven't uploaded any video tutorial on my YouTube channel and festival season almost start ho chuka hai. So I think this is the time I really should upload. And so for this festival season I have done this soft pink smoky eyes, which is really easy to create. Let's quickly jump into the video. Let's get started. So before starting the makeup, to ensure the hydration of the face, I am using this Pond's lightweight moisturizer. It is basically a watery or gel based moisturizer. Next I am using this 7 C's primer, which is basically a silicone based primer. It helps in blurring out your pores and skin textures and make it way too smooth for your foundation or further base. Now next I'm using a sheer coverage foundation. You can also use any BB or CC cream or any foundation of your choice. I just want to keep it very sheer, so I'm just using this foundation, and then I'm blending it with the help of this beauty sponge in dabbing motion. And next, to conceal my dark circles or pigmented areas, I have taken this concealer, creamy based concealer on a flat shader brush, and uske help se I'm just applying it on my affected areas. And also I'm using this concealer for the highlighting purpose and as a eye makeup base. So yes, and after that taking a flat fluffy brush, kabuki brush small, उसके साथ में सर्कुलर मोशंस में इसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड आउट कर दूंगी to get that flawless and well blended look. So yes, next to set my base so that जो base है वो अच्छे से set रहे and crease ना हो, उसके लिए I am using a loose powder. This is from a Colorfeel loose powder. This is from a Colorfeel and I am not really into this powder, so I just used it. So yeah, next moving to eyes, starting from brows, I am grooming my eyebrows. So there is no new product. I'm still stick to that Malia eyebrows pancake. They are so good. And now for the eye makeup, today I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty's nude eyeshadow palette. For picking a rust orange, brown और pink color together on a fluffy brush, उसे पूरी eyelid पे apply कर रही हूँ. And to soften the edges of the eyeshadow at the crease, एक light shade के साथ उसे अच्छे से blend out कर दूँगी. On the lower lash line, Q-tip के help से color pick करके पहले apply करूँगी and with the help of same fluffy brush उसे अच्छे से blend out कर दूँगी. Now using this Swiss Beauty palette, इसमें से एक black color pick कर रही हूँ on a felt tip pencil brush and उसकी help से एक eyeliner draw कर रही हूँ. So you really don't need to be that precise in creating that liner, because later on we are going to smoke it out or smudge it out. So yeah, also creating a little wing with that also. So now on the lower lash line, I'm applying black color on the outer lash line, so that, it gives you that bigger eyes effect. So now with the help of a Q-tip, मैं दोनों color को black and the nude colors on the eyelid उसे अच्छे से mix up कर रही हूँ, दोनों को अच्छे से blend कर रही हूँ to get that perfect smoky gradation effect. So yeah, to ensure the blendability, एक बारी fluffy brush के साथ सब अच्छे से eye shadows को blend out कर रही हूँ. To get that party or a glam look, I am picking a shimmer shade, metallic shimmer shade, and उसे पूरी eyelid पे apply करके अच्छे से blend out कर दूँगी. सो या जो एक्सेस पाउडर था, लूज पाउडर था, उसे मैंने डस्ट ऑफ कर दिया है. एंड या नाउ मूविंग टू काजल, आई हैव अप्लाइड अ स्ट्रोक ऑन माई वाटर लाइन. एंड जो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग शिमर, जो ब्लैक कलर थोड़ा फेड आउट हो गया था, टू गेट दैट इंटेंसिटी बैक आई एम अप्लाइंग दैट ब्लैक कलर अगेन. सो यस, now curling out my lashes really nicely using this Swiss Beauty mascara. So yes, earlier I decided not using falsies for the look, but I end up applying one. So yes, coming back to face, for the contour I am using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette, and एक angled fluffy brush पे मैं एक कलर पिक करके कंटूर वाला अच्छे से अपने चेक बोन्स को टेम्पल ऑफ द फोरहेड अच्छे से ब्रॉन्ज आउट और कंटूर कर लूँगी. Using the same brush, I'm also sharpening up my nose and jawline as well. So yes, so I like this yellowish banana powder kind of highlighter to brighten up my under eyes. It does its job pretty well. Now for the blush, I haven't used this blush ever since I have bought it. This is a Blue Heavens blush, and yeah, it is very pigmented and it has that chunky shimmer particles. But yeah, after applying it, I was not that much disappointed. Yeah, it was like okay. So yeah, my favorite highlighter, all-time favorite highlighter, Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator. So yes, the big its name, the bigger its pan. So yes, applying the same, and yes, just look at that glow. I just love it. So puri look mein, this is what I love the most, the highlighter, the way it comes out. So also highlighting my brow bones. So I am doing this voiceover like after so long that मेरे से हो ही नहीं पा रहा. So yeah, sorry for that. And now applying my falsies. After applying glue, just put it on center and then joining the ends. Now for the lip shade, I am mixing two shades. One is this nude color and next is this Maybelline creamy matte range, in the shade amber, I guess. So yes, it turned out really pretty soft nude color. So yeah, here's the final look.